ladies, it's Chadney here and I'm coming back to you with another wig review. So I'm trying to get these wigs out for you guys. If you're interested in this wig, stay tuned.
Honey.
We're back with another wig review. This is the same shirt because yesterday I recorded the same day. So let's get into these specs, shall we? This is the 360 lace front, free parting, hand tied hair all around, half updo, half ponytail, bun, etc., which means you can style this bad boy any way that you want. And this is Prime Human Hair Natural Mix. It has natural baby hair. This is by Zury Sis. EM 360 lace NIA in the color 99J. And so let's go ahead and get up close and personal and we'll bring it back here. There is 2 combs in the front and there's 2 combs in the back, which is new to me with the 2 combs in the back, but there's 2 combs in the back, 2 combs in, and I like that too, but 2 combs in the back, 2 combs in the front, and adjustable straps as well. So this bad boy is not going anywhere and I love it. So it's not going anywhere, but here is the parting space. I did not pluck it or anything of that sort. It has free parting throughout the front of the wig. It is a lace front. I cut the lace off, as you can tell. I did not put any concealer on it as of yet. I will, but I just wanted to show you how it looked without the concealer. It's pretty good by itself with the parting. I do have a wig cap up under there. That's why you might be seeing a little something there, but it is very comfortable. It is not squeezing my head whatsoever. Okay, so as far as the construction of the cap and the feel of the cap, is snug. I have a big head. It's snug, but it is not to a point of where I can't breathe, but it's that close. Anyway, so as far as the construction of the cap goes, it's pretty self-explanatory. It has a parting any which way. It had lace all around the front and the back in case you want to put it up in a ponytail or some type of up high do. You can do that as well. Me, I particularly don't care to put these wigs up in ponytails, so I would just kind of put it in the middle part or behind my ear or kind of like switch it from left to right. So that's all for the construction of this cap. Let's go ahead and take it back, shall we? The length of this hair comes to my boob area. I am 5'4". Here is the color. Here is the 99J. And it's just like auburn a bit with some dark undertones. So that is pretty as well. I do like the compliment on the color. I like the length of this hair. I like the loose curl of this hair. This hair feels really, really good. It's really soft. It's more on the silkier side than of the yaki side. And I think it's just a nice little everyday kind of wig that you could wear that still kind of spices up. It does look like it's some bundles. Like, I can't say that these wig companies are starting to up their game when it comes down to the quality of hair and how it's starting to compete, and you can't even tell whether or not this is a synthetic wig, a human hair wig, some raw hair. Like, you cannot tell, and it's really, really cute. So I do like that about the hair. The density is great on it. Y'all know I don't really like super huge hair, especially for something that's everyday. So this is something that you could definitely wear every day. It did not tangle on me. It did not shed on me as of yet. But again, when it comes down to these curly units, it is a possibility. I would suggest, again, with all curly units, do not manipulate this wig that much if you want to get the best wear out of it. So let's go ahead and do a roundabout, shall we? Here's the front. Here is the side. Here is the back. Here is the side. And here is the front. So, as you can see, she's a pretty cute unit. She has multitude of colors. This wig was sent to me by SoGoodBB.com. I will make sure that I post that down below. If you want to check it out, then please do so. If you like this wig, if you have this wig, talk to me down in the comment section down below and how it treated you. If you have any pictures of this wig and you purchased this wig, or I inspired you to purchase this wig, be sure to tag me on Instagram so I can repost you in all your cuteness. If you're not following me on Instagram yet, follow me at @TheReal_ChatneyB. Be sure to subscribe. We're almost to 3,000 subscribers. I'm going to do a giveaway at 3,000 subscribers. So let's go ahead and get us there. I know we can do it. Turn on that notification button so you're aware of all the new videos that I have in store for you, because believe me, they are coming. Listen, before I go, I want you to understand that you are beautiful inside and out. I want you to understand that you are perfectly imperfect. I want you to understand that your life is valuable. I want you to understand that nothing and what no one says can ever put value or determine the person that you are and who you are becoming. So don't for 1 second, don't you ever doubt yourself, who you are, what you are, and what you're becoming. I love you. God loves you. Love yourself. You're worthy of love. You're worthy of receiving love unconditionally, truthfully, and you're worthy of giving it. So, enough of all the mushy bull crap. I love you. I love you. I love you. Go check out this wig. Thanks so much again, SoGoodBB.com, for sending me this hair. It is a doll. Until next time, take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't come back to see me, and that's just not fair. Pinky promise I'll do the same, guys. I love you. Take care. Mwah.